Hi, in this video I will share with you how to separate the word into from one column into two columns. So what I mean is that we want to take this and become this YZ and followed by another column which is 27813 XYZ 83149. Alright, so how do you do it all completely done? Do you type one by one, or you can make use of text to column feature? So what is text to column feature? Well, first we select the column we want until the end by pressing Ctrl Shift down key. So you can see that I'm highlighting the whole row. Now I go to Data tab. I get to text to column command. Now right here it is divided by the dash, so it's a delimited. So I choose the delimited because this is the characters that separate each field. So we call this a field and the second field. So that is delimited, and we click next. And the delimiter is not a tab, so I uncheck that. Not a semicolon, so we use others, and we put a dash here because you can see that the moment we got a dash, it separates that into two columns. Then I click next. Then I can check whether this is a text column or the date column. Now I want to remain the same, but I want to export the result not in A1 but G1. So notice I'm highlighting them it, then only I replace it with G1. Okay, when I've done that, I click finish. That's it. That is text to column. Thanks for watching.